this lesson, we're going to use the change of base theorem. Change of base theorem. For any positive real number x, a, and b, where a is not equal to 1 and b is not equal to 1, the change of base formula is as follows, as you see on the screen. Now, what the change of base theorem does is it enables us to convert any logarithmic function to a natural log function. So basically what you're doing here, we have a log here, and we're going to rewrite it in fraction form. And you can always think of it like an arrow going downward, like at a slant. And let me see if I can just write that for a moment with a pen. So if you're starting with the 17 and you go down, and 5 would be next. So on top, you're going to have log 17, and on bottom, you're going to have log 5. So you can perform those that operation there on your calculator. So go ahead and get your calculators out, and you can go ahead and perform that. So you can do it as the common log, so use the log key, or if you want, you could even do the natural log, so use the ln key. You'll get the same exact answer, it doesn't matter, but writing it in change of base forms, you're just simply writing it there as a fraction. As I said before, if you always think of it as a slant going downward with whatever number that argument is, that will always be on top. And just keep in mind your base is on bottom. One way to help you remember is base starts with a B, base, and bottom starts with a B. So always remember that base number is the one that's going to go on the bottom, and the other number there will go on top. But as I said before, whether you're calculating the common log or the natural log, you're going to get the same value. Just be careful that you don't type in the common log of the fraction 17/5 or the natural log 17/5, because you're going to get the wrong answer. You need to be typing in the common log of 17 over the common log of 5, or the natural log of 17 over the natural log of 5. Because for some of the calculators, if you were to just type in the log and then type the fraction itself, you may get a different value there, which is not the correct answer. Okay, so just do some practice with it. Again, I always just tell students is just get to know your calculator. And if you're not able to get the values that you see on the screen, just see me after class, and I'll be more than happy to help you with whatever model you have. Let's do one more practice here. So I want you to write log base 0.38 of 2. Rewrite that in the change of base form and go ahead and calculate that using your scientific calculator. You can either use the common log key, so you'll just be looking for the log key, or you can calculate the natural log, and in that case you will be looking for the ln key. And whichever way you do it, you should get the same value. So setting it up, for those of you who are finding its common log, is going to look like so. And for the natural log, it's going to look the same way, but just, again, you're using the ln key. But you should have the same value. Let's go ahead and round that to 4 decimal places. And you should see like so. Okay, so I want you to try to do this one on your own. Go ahead and see if you can evaluate this log here using the change of base formula. So I'll give you some time to do that, and you're going to round it to 3 decimal places. So you're going to see if it's A, B, C, or D, or E. Okay, so in using your calculator, whether you chose to use the common log button or the natural log button, you'll still get the same answer, and that's C, which is 3.050. And that's it for this lesson.
Okay, that's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching MVP Tutorials by your instructor, Dr. Speights. I hope you'll join me in the next lesson. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye for now.